Hi there, everybody. This is Trader FX 711. The time now is 6:58 a.m. on March the 3rd, Tuesday 2009. What we're looking here, we're looking at another potential trade that we're going to be setting up here. We're going to be looking at this stage buying the euro at the close of this hourly bar. This is the euro US dollar pair. All right, and just to substantiate that that is indeed the time, we look to the right hand side here. You can see, left hand side, sorry. You can see here's the date, 3rd of March 2009. This is a 6 o'clock time frame. This is the 6 o'clock hourly bar. It's going to finish in about 2 minutes time. So at 7 o'clock we're looking at taking the trade. As you can see here, we've got this, let me just widen this up a bit. Okay, we've got this down bar and this low volume. It's the lowest volume again over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, at least the last 10 hours. All right, so we've got a down bar here, and we're looking to buy. Okay, want to buy on this close. Any price lower, the better than the close of this particular hourly bar. Right? Okay, you don't want to be selling here. Okay, reason being, you're going to be the late guy in. Okay, now we've got some support parameters here. Okay, if I just let me just take this one off here. Okay, we've got support around that low. Okay, at that point, we've got resistance up at that point. So at the moment, we're like trading in a range, right? And that's the easiest way to trade because all the prices are all predetermined. All right, so we're down at this point here. We would have liked price to be lower here, but price is what it is, right? This is live at the right hand edge here. Okay, so we're looking at taking a buy. There's the close now. Got the new bar. If we look at the close of that particular bar, at the close of 125.79. Okay, so we want to get a buy in better than that price. All right, 125.79. And that's how it's gone up to 125.81, 82. But we want to be in the market at 125.79 or lower. Right. Okay, so let me bring up the trade station here. Here we go at 125.79. I'll bring this up. Here is my euro. Okay, good price to buy here. Okay, it's 125.81. 78 is 79. That's the close. Alright, so because of the 3-point spread, we can buy it at 125.82. Alright, so we're going to buy here at this point at 125.82. Let me submit that. Okay, right, 125.82. We're going to take a 20-point profit, which is 126.02. Right, we're going to save that for now. We don't know what our stop is at this point. Okay, we just want to get into the market, and as you can see down here, we are now in the market. Right. Okay, so let me just go to the spreadsheet here. Right, this is our 5th trade in this series. Today is the 3rd of March at 7 o'clock. There's our balance. If we're looking to make a 2% return, we're looking to make a $21.40 value return. We're trading the euro. We're buying the euro this time. We brought it at 125.82. Right. We want to make a 20 pip profit on this. So our profit point is 126.02. Now the lot value here is $1.07. Now we're going to make a dollar trade here because we can only trade in dollar lots. Alright, only $1, $2. If we trade in $2, it's going to be past our risk parameter. Okay, so we're only going to keep it at $1 at this point. And this type of trade here, if we take this trade and we make $20, we're making a 1.87% return on our account, which is good. I mean, you know, if you make 1% per trade and you make 2-3 trades sometimes a day or even a week, that's 3%. That's a good return. So we're looking at making at least 1% on every trade that we do. This is a 1.87% return if indeed we make profit here up to our target. Right, our new balance will be 109. The margin required for that trade, if I go back here to my trading station, the margin required is up here. Cost me $125.80, right, in that bracket. Let me put that in. Bit similar to that price of margin up there. This gives me a roundabout figure of how much it cost me, how much money it cost me to put into that trade. Right, it's $125.80 of my $1,000.70. Okay. All right, and my return, if I make a profit here, is going to be 1.87% return. Okay, which is it's a nice tidy return on just one trade. And as you see, it didn't take me too long to set that trade up either. Let's go back to the charts. Okay, now what we're going to do is put these parameters in. Alright, my profit target is going to be around 126.02. After the price gets to that level, make that blue. Right, there's my profit target up at that line there, 126.02. Now my stop. Alright, notice we've got the low point here. Okay, we've got a low down here. If I just scroll back here a bit further, you'll also see there's a low point down here. Alright, this point there. If I go back even further, alright, my lowest point on this chart is here. Now the low point there on that chart is, look at the right hand side, the low is 125.12. So I want my stop outside that low because it's going to be outside the range. Alright, anywhere above that, alright, we may get tagged out. We want to keep our trade safe. Right, so 125.12 is the lowest point there. The market rallied from that point. Also rallied from this point as well. Alright, but we got good defenses here, here, and here. So I'm going to put my stop outside of the range here. Alright, so I want my stop, if that's the low there of 125.5, I'm going to have my stop set 5 points out there, 125.07. Alright, that's where I want to place my stop. So let me put a figure in here. My stop point is 125.07. That's where I want my stop to be. Okay, slightly off the chart here. Alright, if it gets down here, you're going to see this, see all these dots are. Right, that's where that line is. Okay, so price, if it gets down there, that line will show up. So it's 125.07 is my stop. So let me go back to my trading station. Right, and let me put that stop in. Okay, I'm going to replace that order. Okay, stop in 125.07. The limit in there. Close that now. Notice as I look down here, I'm now in trade. Okay, we're all in there and ready. Yeah, all we need to do now is sit back and see how this trade goes. Just 3 points down at this point in time. We just have to be patient. Okay, so again, what we looked at here, we've got low volume. Alright, so we're looking at buying here. So let me just tag this. Okay, we've got a buy at this point here. Looking at buying the market. Right, there's our profit. So let me move it along. From LE bar, it's on that bar that we took a buy at the close. We had low volume on a down bar, so we expect this price to rise. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll come back to you as this trade develops. I'll come back to you before 11 o'clock, and we'll see how this goes. All right. Okay. Until then, we'll see you again on the other side, and bye for now.